So guys, I'm discussing about that, how to promote your business with your YouTube channel option. So your business will be there. So how you can promote your business on your particular YouTube video option. In this call, first of all, select your channel and this website you can promoting through your YouTube channel option. In this purpose, first of all, you can make the video your particular folder. So the video will be ready here. Now selecting for your particular channel, the video will be expressed further what are the services you're providing here. There will be compulsory will be provide a particular users. The video will be already ready to the promote on the particular option. How we can start the promotions? Select here, upload it. So what are the video will be here? Select it. So any video will be promoting based on your keywords. So here, any people will be searching this keyword. So they're showing for particular business will be a particular search option. So the risk I'm promoting through video option in this one here. So here, in this we can writing for and we can keep it on by 3 hashtags. Uploading time, don't forget the thumbnail option. Compulsory you can add by thumbnail here. So where you can add a thumbnail here, you can add by the thumbnail option. Thumbnail here, and based on the option, we can here create a playlist option. Here is already there. We can use this option. Click for done. Don't more than create the playlist. We can relate a playlist will be one enough to add the playlist option. After this one, add your tags. Tags compulsory will be needed. Your particular option to promote the videos. Company name, don't forget option to use the in the tax option. Compulsory you can follow the tax will be more than 200 tax will be compulsory user in a particular video option. So I'm adding for tax here. So in the particular tag will be added, and description part compulsory we can follow here. Every option will be there in the particular things. Here we can add by your website URL, and the particular URL also we can add here. So where is the URL will be here, SEO related. So here we can follow in for next. Add your particular in this screen. That is compulsory we can add by the subscribe button, your particular video option. There is a most recent video uploaded here. 2 will be enough. Second will be cards option. These parameters compulsory you have to finish in a particular video option. Here selected by this. These are the cards. Here will be written for the YouTube Studio option. Go back. Both will be done. Next, first video will be uploaded for the unlist mode. Don't yet publish the video. We can go for unlist mode. Video will successful be unlisted mode will be done. And why we can upload for unlisted mode? The YouTube channel will be monetization. The video will be eligible for earnings or not. They give the option. So this channel is not for monetization purpose. This is a complete for company channel. So we're not using for montage option. So this is will be no restriction for any this video. After some seconds or some minutes, this unlisted will be going to the public mode. Simple, we can click here, public, Public will be two options. Public with the premier or public option. Two will be used. Public with the premier is nothing but the video will be going to live on the stream. We can chat with the customer based on the price. Without prime nothing but premium nothing but they not think for go for live. They will be direct published for the YouTube channel. And schedule also will be there. Until will be scheduled. Schedule with the premium also will be there. Anything will be select. Premium nothing but live chat option. That is mean by YouTube super chat option. YouTube super chat option. In coming to the YouTube studio, in the settings, what are the eligible lists and what are the channel options, everything will be here, will be option will be there. In this we have to using for super chat option. That is mean by when coming to the live in the particular option public, we can using for premier, that along with you can go for live option to the publish. We can promote your website to the business, that all will be based on the keywords that will be affected for the people know about your business, easy reach for the your particular customers. So these are the instruction we can follow this, and publish the videos on the YouTube channel to increase your business. Regularly one video compulsory upload by the YouTube channel is a mandatory field. We have to increase the RPM, that mean by the views, and that is a increase by your branding to the reach by more customer. After publishing this one, we can share by the social media and related website to increase the views and traffic and increase the subscriber option. So this is a way to you can promote your business on your particular YouTube channel option. So this is a way we can create the video, upload the channel option. This compulsory mandatory field to promote your business purpose.